I see Seth and I see Lawnmower.
You see my dick out or what?
Okay, I'm starting it.
I got you a gift. Alright, I'm out of here. My waiters are.
Someone suck my dick right now on this table, please.
Okay,
Setting
okay,
an example.
Turn around. No, come here. Turn to me. Turn to me.
Yeah, you see. Hey, you back there, Nancy? Get back over here.
Enough.
Connor, turn.
Let me out there. Let me out. Let me out there. Let me out there.
Oh my god! Where the fuck is the fire exit?
Come on, Ren.
Okay.
Alright, get in the ship, Ryan.
And then close the door behind us when we get it. When we.
You're gonna
What?
say beehive? You know how many beehives there are?
Yeah, I don't
I
know.
got,
Go
I
on
got
the
chased
fucking
by a
spider.
bee earlier.
Grab
By a swarm.
I'm getting out of here.
Beans?
No, you fucking.
Close it. Take off the
Oh, but no, it's killing everyone. It's killing everyone. It killed everyone. It killed everyone.
I was on the roof.
I'm behind.
We got the beehive.
Matt, they left you behind.
Until oil has
Ryan, no balls. You won't press it again.
God.
Who was that?
Ryan died?
I didn't run.
Oh shit.
Oh yeah. Look at his dead ass body.
Open
Maybe
three.
open any
Open
doors.
three. Fuck.
Matt, open B3. Open B3, Matt. Open
They
B3.
are.
Oh, he opened it. He actually opened it. He just came all over us.
Go in
We
there.
got a huge monster that's in there.
Was.
Killing bitch ass.
Fuck.
There you go. Fuck that shit.
He's alive as fuck.
Well, I'm
I wish
almost
I could
dead.
see what's going on.
They're fucking him up.
It's okay. He kind of looks scared nowadays.
Oh, they killed all those other monsters.
Oh, Seth hitting it from the back.
Fuck him up, fuck him up. There's another monster towards you guys, the little one.
Oh.
Behind that big monster.
open this door,
the big
babe.
monster just ran away.
We
The
kill
other
it?
monster, oh, the big monster's coming back.
Fuck her. Beat his
Big
ass.
monster's coming back.
Oh, fuck.
Nah, fuck that shit. It's late. Oh,
You guys back en route over?
bro.
Guys, still a monster by me.
What are we meant to do?
I don't know. I had to drop my shovel.
What are we meant to do?
Hey guys, we're fucking pinned down. Alright?
Alright, guys. I'm gonna go out there, and if I don't come back,
Where the fuck are
How
they
about you?
at?
No.
I'm already injured.
Here.
I'm already injured.
I'm also injured
I'll go
already.
out there.
Let's
Hold on, hold
all
on.
go. But let
Okay,
me
yeah, he
go
can
like a
only
second
grab one.
first.
he can only grab one, so we all go.
Oh, did they die? They did, huh? I think Gabe died. Fuck. I think Gabe's dead, guys.
Wait, that thing is chasing. Oh, bees. I'm dead.
Oh.
Oh no. Oh my god.
Did Connor just die to that? Oh no. You died to the
Oh, I'm so
beehive.
glad I didn't get eaten.
Oh no. I think the thing can't see you if it's behind something.
It can't. I've been in this situation before.
What the fuck?
Oh. Oh, I think it sees him. Yep, it sees him.
Oh, he's gonna get out. He's got it.
Oh no.
Oh, he didn't make it.
No!
So close.
Connor! Ryan, get that. Oh, shit. Dead body. Dead body. Who died? Is that Big?
I don't know.
Let's see who died.
It's him. It is him.
Just hanging out. I'm so glad that will never have my turn. Oh.
There's a hatch over here.
He's watching corners. Watch behind you.
Guys?
Yes.
There's a dog outside.
Where?
Who let the
No,
dogs out?
Like outside where the entrance is.
Well, that sounds like a them problem. We're growling at you or what? What the fuck was that? Oh my god! Oh my
V,
god!
get to the ship over. Get to the ship over.
Should we leave him? What are we thinking?
Well, I have an idea.
Zach, yourself. Yeah, that's kind of smart.
They can go through furniture.
Is he shitting his pants outside? What the fuck is happening? What is he doing?
Okay. 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 Alright.
How the fuck
Fine.
did
On
he
a
just
railing.
walk in there and murder all of
Thinks
us?
he's trying to eat my ass out of double.
Oh. Welcome to the party, Ryan. It's Bing.
Oh,
Dude, that was so gay.
Wait.
You have a double? You have a double?
Oh. Oh, damn.
Jump up, jump up. Beat his ass.
Oh, he's dead as fuck.
So, alright.
A facehugger was eating bomb.
Bang, you should have seen what happened to
It was
us.
too late.
The three of us were in the ship.
Oh, Wonk, no.
A dog came,
Where's his
we
body?
closed the door, hid, no one talked, and
He's
the
over
dog
here.
came in and just slow walked at us and ate all of us.
see that? Oh, no. I think I locked him, dude, because I forgot to open up T5 again.
Probably, yeah, because we couldn't find the way out, like, at all.
Oh, God.
Bitch, ah!
Oh,
Fuck, it was right there, dude.
welcome
Oh,
to the
everybody's
party.
dead.
Oh, there goes Connor.
Yeah, or fuck.
What happened to everybody?
You don't want to know.
Dog.
We got spot camped. Everybody,
By the dog.
everybody.
Dude, you guys are ass.
Bro, he walked at us and I was like, maybe he won't bite me. He just literally murdered me.
What kind of thought process is that?
What other choice did I have, Seth? I was pinned down in the. Oh.
Spiders coming.
Oh.
Oh.
Tell the dude to drop that.
Oh. And then, oh.
He's kind of gatekeeping that fucking fire exit off.
No, someone's dead for sure. Yeah, Spider Boy.
Let's get the hell out of here.
Oh, that's a spitter.
Guys,
There's a spitter over there, by the way. Oh no.
Why is everything shut? Oh no.
That's by goon shot. No.
no.
He just died at quicksand.
I saw it all happen.